So this is a really easy way to use Sierra Chart on a Mac, and it's using something called Crossover, which is a compatibility layer which allows you to use Windows applications without actually installing Windows on your Mac. So once you've installed Crossover, you simply search for Sierra Chart, and it will tell you there it already runs well. So other users have installed it and reported that it runs really well. Now, I'm not going to install it now because I've already done it, but all you would do is click on install there, and it will take about 2 or 3 minutes to install the Windows version. I've got it installed on my home page here, so if I click on Sierra Chart, you'll see it takes just a few seconds to open. Obviously, you need to log in with your account details. It should automatically do that, and then open up the main interface. So there we go. So yeah, the charts. I don't use Sierra Chart regularly, so I'm not 100% familiar with how it works. It seems like some of the charts struggle to download information, whereas others, as you can see here, are fine. So there may be an issue with some charts not populating with data. But you've got all of the functions across the top that you would have on Windows. The functionality is just the same. You can also, it's pretty smooth as well to use. It's just the same as using it on a Windows PC, really. So yeah, that's how to get Sierra Chart working on a Mac.